So one of the big challenges that organizations face in the mobile-first, cloud-first world is delivering secure email to employees on the go. Users want to use their mobile devices to access their corporate email, and they expect to do it in a fast and easy way without the need of going through multiple complex steps or calling the help desk. IT, on the other hand, wants to keep the corporate data secure wherever it is. So let me show you how you can solve both of these problems with Office 365 and Enterprise Mobility Suite. When employees add their corporate Office 365 account to their mobile device, they expect to get access to their email, but with Enterprise Mobility Suite, you can enable conditional access, which ensures that employees access corporate email only from managed and compliant devices. So in this scenario, Garth Fort, an employee of Contoso, just received a brand new iPad for his birthday and wants to use it to access his corporate email. So we're going to go in here, create a new mail account, say add account. We pick Exchange. We're going to put in his corporate email and password information. Say next. Save. Okay, the account has been added. We're going to go back into the account here and make one change. We're going to say mail days to sync. We're going to change that to no limit. We want to have all of our email there. Okay, so at this point we can go back to and go into the Mail app. And as you can see here, the user is blocked and is informed that in order to get access, they will need to first enroll their device to Intune. Lets them know that you're receiving this message because your IT department needs to install the Microsoft Intune company portal app and enroll your device in order to access Exchange email and other resources on your mobile device. Great, so we're going to click Get Started Now. The user will now be directed to install the Intune company portal app, which has already been done, in this case to save time, so we'll just say Open. Employees will then need to log on with their corporate Azure Active Directory identity, which is the same credentials they used to access their corporate email. So we'll go in, provide those credentials. Click Sign In. This will step them through the standard iOS enrollment process that includes applying a management profile and certificates for secure communication between the device and Intune. So you see here at the Company Access Setup screen, we'll go ahead and say Begin on that, and then Enroll. So there are a few things happening behind the scenes here. First, Intune gets device information without collecting personal data, since this is a personal device. Next, Intune also registers this device with Azure AD. So now both Intune and Azure AD know that this device belongs to this employee, which is useful for a few other scenarios when the employees want to access corporate resources from this same device. Intune also starts to deploy and enforce device settings like password requirements and resource access profiles, such as for Wi-Fi, VPN, certificates, and applications. So on the management profile, we're going to say install that, confirm. You can see it's installing the profile, generating the key, enrolling the certificate. At this point, the user gets a warning to let them know that, hey, by installing this profile, it will allow the administrator to remotely manage the iPad. So that's good. We'll say install, and we'll trust. From here we'll say done. And go choose open to go back into the company portal. So once the enrollment is complete, employees will need to ensure that their device is compliant with corporate policies. This is a great solution since employees can get access to email with just a few simple steps, but IT is also happy because the corporate data is accessed only from managed devices. So at this point we see that device enrollment's complete, device compliance, enrollment activation is all complete. So we're going to say continue. Now you'll notice at this point we get a prompt for a passcode requirement. As part of the policy that was set here, it's requiring the user to go out and set a passcode on the device to help protect that company information. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'll say continue. I'll go ahead and put in a passcode here. Confirm that and say save. And at this point, lets me know the company access setup is complete. Your access to email and other company resources has been granted and should begin shortly. So at this point, if we go back out to our Mail app, we'll see that the inbox is now populated with the user's emails from Office 365. So what we showed here was how organizations can give their employees access to corporate email and documents from their personal mobile devices, but in a way that ensures sensitive corporate information is only accessed from compliant and secure devices that meet all the requirements of IT. Thanks for watching.